Good morning from the desert, from Phoenix, Arizona. My name is Tom, and these are the numbers for Friday. Friday was a good day. Ended up connecting with a couple of old-time friends through DoorDash. Met up over the phone with Cam, and then that turned into a three-way call with Jason. Mainly just catching up on old times, giving updates on what was going on, and talking about what's happening, on the DoorDash platform from a cherry picker, standpoint, from a volume dasher such as myself. So yesterday, on Thursday, I told you that it seemed like they had given me all the work up until 2 o'clock, and then they really throttled me down and kept me, right at that $400 level. Now, the reverse happened today. What ended up happening was, because I was on the phone and not really putting a lot of hustle behind anything, I was really just kind of moseying along. Wasn't at $200 by 2 o'clock, and as a result, after getting off the phone with those two individuals, started getting just like catering order after catering order, and ended up at the end of the night finishing with $402.93. Now again, this is that strategy where you start early and you end late, and then that, in my belief, helps to throw you over that $20 per hour. I think right now we're almost at $22 an hour this year. That's our overall average. You can see right now, after 5 days of work this week, we're at $1,942.59. Going over into the actual app itself to go look at our ratings, you can see that currently we're at 95% acceptance rate. This is with a $15 minimum per offer, and as low as $3.50. And that's just having faith in the system that they're going to maintain $20 plus per hour. We're at 100% completion rate, 100% on time, 5.0 customer rating, and 891 over the last 30 days. You can see that we're well within, it'll be 46,900 after today's numbers, and so that means possibly two to 3 days, possibly Sunday at the end of the day, or Monday we'll be at 47,000. Going into the earnings real quick, for yesterday, or last night I should say, we did a total of 47 deliveries with the batched orders. So those are the numbers for this week. We're going to get started again early today, today just because it's after midnight, and we're going to again shoot for that minimum of 270 to get $100,000 for the fourth consecutive year. We're shooting at $20 an hour for 18 hours of work. That's $360, but because we're starting early and ending late, then we're hoping for at least a $400 day. But at $1,900 and 2 more days possibly of approaching close to $400, Sunday maybe not, so that's another $750 to $800. That'll put us around $2,700 potentially for the week. A great start to this year. So we're going to go ahead and jump over into the earnings real quick and cash that out, get it off the DoorDash platform and into my bank account.
Go, go, go!
Of course I'm going to go. Well, that's a notification saying my shift starts in 30 minutes. So with that, we are going to end this. So I hope you guys have a great day as you start out your Saturday. It'll probably be a slow start, everybody partying on Friday night, but hopefully you reach your numbers. Hopefully you're seeing that these numbers are possible and that there is value in trusting the DoorDash platform, even though I know as soon as I say that, a lot of people will roll their eyes. But over the course of 5.5 years, I've learned to do that, and I've reaped the benefits of that. It helps with my mindset to know that they've got my back. You guys have a great day, and we'll give you an update tomorrow.